which means it's going to be kind of hard to walk up and down anywhere. And probably the combine is coming to cut our field, so it's going to be crazy. I'm also going to clean everything up upstairs. We're going to start getting ready to shift. So Nessa and I are making some lunch and supper so we can just have everything ready. So say hello, Nessa.
Hello.
She's just cutting some loki, and let's see what happens today. Floor getting done. I brought the kids upstairs. They're kind of stuck upstairs until everything is done. While I'm cleaning up, kind of trying to sweep up all of this crazy dirt, Anisha's outside fixing up the trolley to get it ready for the paddy, the dawn that will be coming. It's gonna go out pretty soon. The combine is there in another field. So it's over there in another field over there. And it'll be coming over to our field soon. So our field is right there. On that side. We are coming out to the field to see the harvest. The combine is over that side. Here's our field. Here's the rice just ready to be harvested. All waiting for the combine to come. So Evelyn is braiding some straw. Smile, puppy. day they did the garage. So it's looking nice and done. Now we're leveling out these mounds of mud. Kids are sad they don't have any more mountains to play on. We got some bricks from our friends, and their tractor got stuck in the mud, so just trying to take it out. Just grab another tractor to help out. To go fishing. Bye! I'm staying here in the house to make some peanut butter. So I have all these peanuts, and Anish actually bought 10 kg of peanuts, so we have a lot more. And the kids have been working very hard to peel them all. And I'll have a nice reward of lots of peanut butter.